In this movie, we're going to take a look at a number of other ways in which we can use regular expressions. And we're going to explore some of the more complex syntax that we can use within our regular expressions. We're going to use the same format here of script, except that we're storing the regular expression within this variable here, and then simply referencing the variable within this function. But it works in exactly the same way. One way that we can choose multiple patterns within a regular expression is to use an operator like this. The same operator that we use within our PHP scripts, normally double to mean or, we use on its own within a regular expression, and it means pretty much the same thing as it does when we use it to mean or. This, for instance, will return true if any of these strings are found within the sentence string. So in this case, if we test in our browser, the regular expression was found. That's because it found thank you within the sentence string. If we'd have used thanks, it would have worked just as well. We can use the normal brackets if we wish to divide off an or part of our regular expression from any other part. For instance, if we wanted to find any of the days of the week, we could simply split them up like this. And that would find any of the days of the week. For instance, if we included Saturday, it's found that regular expression too. The reason is that it found this part of the string and then it matched it to this part. It would have worked equally well for Thursday or any other day of the week. Another thing we can use within regular expressions is a wildcard symbol, and this is the dot. Similar to the concatenation operator that we've used in our normal PHP scripts, it means something quite different within a regular expression. Say if we used this string, the and then a space and then dot and then O and then P. Now that will match it's the cops, because this dot can stand for any character. So in this case, C can be used to stand in for this dot. So if we check that in our browser, it's found the regular expression. It's accepted that regular expression as true when compared to this string. However, if we were to say it's the chops, for instance, and try that in our browser, we'll find that it's not happy with that. The reason for that is that this dot here only stands for one character. If we wanted to let it stand for one character or more, we could use the plus operator. And if we save that and check in our browser, we'll find that now it's accepted it, because it would allow one or more of any character, in which case this would be CH. We can also use the wildcard character to specify, for instance, the number of characters in the entire string. If we use our beginning of the string operator, then a dot, and then by using these curly brackets we specify how many wildcard characters we want to find, i.e. any character at all, we could say 10 characters, and then we need to put this $sign at the end. And these two symbols together will lock the rest of the regular expression in here to each end of the string. So this effectively says that for any string with only 10 characters, no more and no less, the regular expression will evaluate true.